Yes, of course, it is a better style than the traditional style. It is like anyway in UST, everyone is practicing this.
Yes, that's
My
true.
my leader and her leader, our head, everyone is practicing the same. So whenever I saw these emails coming up from the events and updates, I wanted to enroll, but I wanted to attend the classroom session itself,
Yeah,
not the online one.
yeah.
So I was waiting for a time till now, and
Yeah.
finally get a chance to attend the same.
That
We have already studied through this in the past 2 days, and we
Yes.
have learned some case studies also. And
Yes.
of course, if the employee is happy and if the employee is more comfortable in the role which he plays,
Yeah.
his productivity will definitely improve. This program is well coordinated. I have already suggested to all my team members that they next time if you missed out the email, I will definitely forward the email to you. I have already told them.